This innovative powerhouse mixes wind turbines and solar energy. Known as the Innoventum Giraffe 2.0, it can power homes and electric cars. This smart combination uses a wind turbine and 24 solar panels, mixing different energy sources for the best performance and dependability. Built with eco-friendly wood and recycled metal, it produces 10,000 to 20,000 kilowatt-hours of energy each year, depending on the weather. Would you choose this green energy solution with a giraffe in your yard?
My friends, how are you? I am also fine. Today I announced my 5th project. Yes, that proposal integrates solar panel and wind turbine in the same 50 acres to maximize the land utilization and energy generation. Project. The location of project Thrissur district, Kerala and India, and the total area of the land 50 acres. The technology used high efficiency solar panel with wind turbine in a hybrid system. Objective: maximize renewable energy production in compact, cost-effective and efficient manner. Solar system. Allocation land 35 acres and panel type high efficiency sun power panel 550 watt per panel. The total solar capacity 7 megawatt. The annual generation 10.5 million kilowatt per year. Next, wind power system. The allocation of land 15 acres, also used for solar panel installation under turbine. Turbine type: large onshore wind turbine 2 megawatt per unit. Number of turbine 3 unit. Total wind capacity 6 megawatt. The annual generation 15 million kilowatt per year. Hybrid integration, joint infrastructure. Wind turbine installed above ground, the solar panel placed between them. Battery storage system to store excess energy. Grid connection to KSEB for power sale and distribution. Energy output summary, financial plan, investment estimation, revenue project. Electricity selling rate 3 rupees 50 paise to 4 rupees 50 paise for unit. The total energy revenue rupees 90 to 115 crore. Payback period 6 to 8 years. Business model and future expansion. The revenue stream. Power sales to KCB or commercial buyers. Carbon credit earnings. Battery storage utilization for peak demand. government subsidies for renewable energy, future expansion possibilities, increase the capacity with floating solar on water bodies. Conclusion points of hybrid green energy project. Optimal land utilization. The project is located in a rural area with unused cultivation land and wasteland, making it ideal for solar and wind power generation. Dual use of land by installing solar panel and wind turbines together maximize efficiency. Easy land acquisition and implementation. This land is low cost and easily available, reducing project investment risk. Minimal legal and environmental hurdles for land conversion. High energy generation potential. The solar panels 7 megawatt and wind turbine 6 megawatt, providing a hybrid capacity of 13 megawatt.